Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to put water in Lexus IS250 only ways. Locate the windshield washer reservoir cap in the engine bay and open it carefully, keeping the engine off and cool. Use a flashlight if needed to see the cap clearly and avoid splashing on belts or electrical parts, pouring slowly to prevent overflow while watching the level markings. Then close the cap securely and wipe any drips from surrounding components. Gather a clean funnel and a marked container of distilled water before you begin, and keep a rag within reach for quick cleanups. Make sure the engine is cool and the car is parked on level ground. Then open the hood and locate the washer reservoir cap labeled with a windshield symbol. Remove the cap, insert the funnel, and pour distilled water slowly while monitoring the level marks to avoid overfilling or spills. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to keep the tips coming. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make transporting distilled water or emergency supplies so much neater, and they're perfect for the trunk without spills or mystery drips. I find them handy for organized car kits and easy refill sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the hood open and engine cold, identify the washer reservoir, remove its cap, and insert a funnel. Pour distilled water slowly until the fill line is reached. Then replace the cap and clean any spills with a rag, taking care not to introduce soaps or additives that can clog nozzles. Confirm the windshield washers function by testing them briefly, and store remaining water safely labeled for future top-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.